everyone, I'm here with the CEO, Francesco Caputo, the CEO of Azimut. First of all, can you explain why Azimut chose Brazil? Because Azimut worked on 17 countries. So why choose Brazil and São Paulo for the release of this boat?
Well, first of all, we chose Brazil now 14 years ago because in Brazil we have a long tradition. We were producing our boats here since the 90s through a partner here. But then when we realized what was the size of the market and the importance, we took the decision to build our own shipyard in order to be closer to our clients and to deliver a better product and a better service. As far as the launching of the 56, we chose São Paulo because it's, let's say, the economical capital of Brazil, of the South America, I would say, and also because here we have most of our clients. And talking about also the 56 is because it's a project that was developed in order to deliver the best product, the best layout, and the best comfort to the Brazilian clients. So we have most of the features that are thought in order to satisfy the Brazilian client. What the Brazilian client is looking for. Just to, let's say, underline one of these features, I will say the barbecue that is located in the aft of the boat, and it is something that was especially projected and thought for the Brazilian customers.
That's amazing. We are feeling like really special because everything we know that is designed to Italy, to Miami, and always forget Brazil, to be honest. So we are really happy for it. And now, a Portuguese question. Você sempre teve essa paixão pela náutica?
In English or in...
Can be Portuguese.
Ok, stavo dizendo a paixão pela náutica. Eu acredito que a paixão pela náutica seja alguma coisa que está no coração de todo mundo, né? Porque estamos falando de produtos tão lindos, estamos falando de experiências tão apaixonantes que é muito difícil encontrar alguém que pelo menos uma vez na vida não sonhou de olhos abertos de estar sentados em um barco da Azimut curtindo um maravilhoso pôr do sol. Eu diria que a náutica é por si mesmo apaixonante, que a Azimut é mais apaixonante ainda, e que de fato no momento em que você entra em contato, tem a possibilidade de se aproximar desse mundo e dessa marca, é um destino que não tem volta, né? Todo mundo se apaixona.
Sim. Quero muito te agradecer por essa entrevista e te desejar sucesso. Parabéns por estar sendo o CEO dessa empresa incrível. Muito boa sorte.
Eu que agradeço. Muito obrigado e qualquer coisa estamos aqui à disposição.
Muito obrigada.